Morning students, I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we are going to learn rhyming words. Okay, so students, usually rhyming words are the words that have the same ending sound. For example, band, land, hand. So now let's see some more example. This is band, land, hand. Now you can see and these ending sounds are same. Okay, now next one is see, tree, free. Next, dip, keep, jeep, bill, fill, hill, foot, good, wood, dear, fear, here. I hope you all have learned it very well, and don't forget to practice at your home. Thank you.